Good evening, everyone. Thanks for staying up late with us. I'm Janae Ryan.
And I'm Carol Zinke.
Now, a Moscow man will go to trial and possibly face the death penalty. Today, a Latah County judge ruled that there is enough evidence to try 29-year-old John Lee, previously known as Cain Grabelski, for triple murder and aggravated battery. Now, these crimes were committed back on January 10th. I'm sure we all remember that day from living out here. Now, you were in the courtroom today, Carol. Tell us exactly what happened.
That's exactly right, Janae. Today was Lee's preliminary hearing. Investigators say he killed his mother, Terry Grabelski, his landlord, David Trail, and Arby's manager, Belinda Niebuhr, during a shooting spree that day. It happened before Lee led police on a high-speed chase into Whitman County. He was arrested and had a few court appearances there, and then later was extradited to Latah County. The first witness prosecuting attorneys called to the stand today was Michael Chin. He's the sole surviving victim. Chin was visiting with Trail at his office at Northwestern Mutual the day prosecutors say Lee shot Trail and Chin. Chin was shot in his shoulder, chest, and knee. He says he spent a lot of time in the hospital since then, recovering, having multiple surgeries, and he'll be starting his third round of physical therapy next week.
It had no expression at all. It was kind of distant, very cold, but it was a very intentional stare at Dave Trail. I've been contemplating this a lot because I believe that if he wanted to kill me at that time, he would have done so. And I believe this because, in my opinion, because of the way that he had shot and killed Dave Trail.
It's for this account given by Chin that the original charge of attempted murder Lee faced changed to aggravated battery. The Honorable Judge John Judge also heard from several law enforcement officials involved in the incident and some of Niebuhr's co-workers. They talked about what happened at the restaurant that day. Sydney Jones says Lee came into the restaurant asking to speak with her manager, Belinda Niebuhr. She says it seemed urgent, so she went to her office to get her.
The next thing I remember is seeing him pull out the gun and point it at her.
Yeah, I saw him pull it out and say, "You're an army," click, click.
Lee will be back in court on August 4th for his arraignment.
Carol, it looks like it was a really emotional day. I mean, those testimonies that we were just shared, and I know something that happens in a small community like that one, I mean, everyone is affected. What was kind of the feeling in there?
Definitely. It was, I don't want to say a full house, but pretty darn close. There's a lot of people in the community in there, and it can't be easy to watch, especially for the people directly related, and it can't be an easy thing to testify with. But we'll keep you updated as this unfolds.